The world isn't what it seems. The system is designed to keep you in line. But what if I told you there's another way? Welcome to Breaking the Average, where we challenge the norm, break free from limitations, and open your mind to new possibilities. Let's begin. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of Breaking the Average podcast. Ako si Jet, and today let's talk about something na hindi masyadong napapansin, pero lahat tayo affected. The system we live in. It's like a simulation na nakaprogram para sundin natin ng walang tanong. May dating Yakuza member na nagngangalang Mr. Hashimoto na nagsabi, "We live in a simulation." Pero anong ibig sabihin nun? And bakit parang ang daming tao ang stuck sa isang cycle na parang wala naman talagang freedom? Or wala naman tunay na freedom? Napansin nyo ba? Bata pa lang tayo, tinuturo na sa atin ang expected path sa buhay. Mag-aaral na matagal, tapos magtatrabaho, mag-retire, in the end, mamatay. Pero sino bang nakinabang dito? We spend 20 years in school, pero paglabas natin, we're just trained to become good employees, not free individuals. Ang masakit, hindi ka tinuruan about money, taxes, business, or financial freedom. Only how to work for someone else. Why it feels like a simulation? The system is designed para maging predictable ang buhay natin. We wake up, work, go home, sleep, repeat. Parang scripted, diba? Ang mayayaman, sila yung gumagawa ng rules sa simulation na to. Tayo yung naglalaro sa system na sila ang nag-program. But here's the thing. Once you see the system for what it is, may choice ka na. Gagamitin mo ba ang knowledge na to para makalaya? So ngayon, alam mo na, we live in a system. But the question is, anong gagawin mo tungkol dito? The key is, learning how to play the game differently, hindi lang sumunod, kundi gumawa ng sariling daan. Anong thoughts nyo about dito? Do you feel stuck in the system? Or may ginagawa ka ng paraan para makawala dito? Chat us or comment down below. That's it for today's episode. But before you go, let me ask you, are you still following the script? O handa ka na sumulat na sarili mong kwento? If you enjoyed this, follow us here, share your thoughts, and let's continue breaking the system together. See you in the next one!